The Badwam Ahosepe is the Fantidol president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Esha in the Bibiara Yasunko or Benchen mini studio, my son foam, Maba Best Western Hotel. Na abaze record o hade so be bisa ma menchire mu de maraba Filipino night na yinimde Ghana hade yin ya ho papa na most ma ya ho krom hade yin ntino se ho no ba na obopu mu krom hade ya wotu wo fo krom hade ze ye hone ze ntino Philippines fa wo Ghana hade na waka wo ho aboa no awori award ceremony where mass induction e wo hade ntino wo hade yerba ya babo hwe mpono abansunsone na oda hen na wonintam apart from sunsunne he no dey ntam bi mpo na yesane ye wonyama bebre a odin se papa intino abaze no ye similar wo henintam wo heneziban henesro wonentare share wo ya baze intino Filipino night wo Best Western Hotel na mabe intino kamo hwe na yenko share henuanom Philippines fa wo Ghana hade musma wo ye honi dwumezi na musma wo ye honaze wo kromade me yenko share 90 yenenam Philippines abrofunu ma ba yehu de Ghana for you know Ghana for bi so or hade nti no ma yen get to know them but offer them
from nana ya already jamra.
Okay na mo pocho wo band de be hade you fame because me the Philippines for and the worries one agro.
Okay, me fi Stanbic Bank na Philippines for no your bank a few of them into who invited them brana any on your beji when you are.
What's a bar again? It's no what had their beji when you are no two ways matter say now and you want to because I chum there and you want your business a back away abagimpa only pursuit then.
Oh kakra be account some on Rose Bonnie for into ya so the ebechi on there one only account where who be an open accounting or by enchana. So we accountable.
That one is simple and another that's papa. Okay. Now is banana who Philippines phone is banana busy.
Men crochet.
Tasty be so that.
Oh, but it's speeder.
No, the fibers ne busy.
More about Serbia, maybe. Okay.
But that's papa. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po ng buhay ng Pilipinas.
Intino you good yenye one ma wɔgye awards ne bi because ndɛ no wɔbɛyɛ awards night ɛwɔ ha de egudu ebi ne mmerɛ kasa. What's your name?
My name is Reverend Father Junicio Nelias. SVD.
So you're also a Reverend Father?
Yeah.
Okay. But you are in Ghana?
Yes.
How long have you been in Ghana?
I've been in Ghana for 34 years.
It means you can speak Tree.
In Kakra.
You have done well.
Or Dangme or Krubu. Because I have been in the Krubu area for a long time. Yes.
Speak some Krobo.
Onga sa minya lu.
Papa, we are kaya ho ewo krom ha day.
Wana mausyo. Maoni banyu. Maoni jonyo. Nyungmo jonyo.
Okay, nice. But I saw you take an award. What was the award for?
The name of the award is a Millstone Award for those who have been in Ghana for more than 20 years. And of course, if you stay more than 20 years, you have done something remarkable, have something memorable for the Filipino people, and something good also for the people in Ghana. So it's appreciation on our being here for some time and for the contribution that we have shared to the Filipino people in Ghana. They call it OFW, the Overseas Workers in Ghana. And of course, since I've been here for long, also able to reach out to the people of God, whom the Lord has entrusted to my care in Ghana.
Which Ghanaian food do you really like?
Fufu.
Fufu and what? Fufu with what? What soup?
Wine.
Chef. The maize bunny in Aranoni. Chef, what's your name?
My name is Joseph Jeffrey. I'm from Philippines.
You know, back at the director came, the chef or had you know of the Philippines, and we choose the best Western. That was what your director said. That they chose best Western because you are Philippines and you are working here and you cook here.
Yes.
Okay, and you make the best meals. So we are here to see what you. So this is steamed rice.
We have steamed rice here, and we have garlic egg fried rice, and we have beef caldereta.
Caldereta.
Yes, caldereta.
And this is Philippines food.
Yeah, Philippine food. Everything's.
What did you garnish? Is that?
I garnish it with potatoes, onions, and green pepper. Then here we have usual grilled chicken. Yes. And then here we have sweet and sour fish. And here we have chop suey. So that is vegetables mixed with quail eggs. And then here, this is pancit. They call pancit. It's vermicelli or rice noodles. And then here, that is they call lumpia. Yeah.
What's this?
Garlic sauce, and that is the vegetables.
So garlic sauce and vegetables. Yeah. So there's carrots, there's cabbage.
Carrots, cabbage, everything is there. Then we have here what is here. This one is coming soon. And this is the Filipino favorite, pork adobo.
It's a Philippine favorite, pork.
It's very famous. So that's called, they call adobo.
Wow. Pork adobo. I'm definitely going to try this. Since you said it's Philippines favorite.
Yes, we have our soup. So we have chicken lemongrass soup. So we have lemongrass soup.
Wow.
So,
And it looks so good.
yes, of course, everything is good. And this is bulalo. They call bulalo. Like beef with bones. And then you can add with this if you want it. Yeah.
Okay. I can see you people use a lot of vegetables, green vegetables.
Yes.
Is there any reason?
It's very healthy. Okay. So I want my customers eating good food, good health.
So let's meet more veggies.
Yeah,
Okay.
everything come from Ghana. So we can provide here those Philippine vegetables. They will grow.
So it wasn't difficult getting vegetables from a market. And anything that you have here wasn't
Quantity you can
difficult.
get. Because similar weather in Philippines and here in Ghana. It's a tropical weather. So you can get it.
Thank you so much, Seth, for taking us through. I'll come back later and then you get to serve me something nice from Philippines. Today I'm going to be trying something really nice from Philippines. And you know, Chef, oh yeah, it's my Chef Jeffrey, you know, the you could go close those ones. And you know, many opportunity, many miss be someone want to miss out for no ferraz pa, Tepera Kasa, yes, Debbie, ba, many of her, she's so beautiful. No, can you give me 360? Oh. Uh-huh. Ah, you look so good. You look so good. What's your name?
Jennifer. Yeah.
How long have you been in Ghana?
Actually, I just arrived again, but I was here last 2023 in January, but then I come back last year, 2024 by March. Yeah.
Are you doing business in Ghana? Why do you keep coming?
Parents are here. Yeah. And now I'm a nurse at Franklin. Yeah, one of the sponsor there. Yeah.
So it means you are going to be here for a very long time.
Yeah, I think I love Ghana, so I can stay. Yeah.
Have you enjoyed any of our meals?
I love jollof. I love the spices. I love kebab.
See,
Fufu, banku with okra soup, light soup, name it.
you look like a beautiful bowl of jollof, though.
Sorry?
You look like a beautiful bowl of jollof.
Oh, thank you. That is so sweet.
Yeah, for saying.
Your friend Mayao. No, my name is Alvin.
That easy not coming, and that was so cute. So yeah, meaning you were Thursday.
Born, yes, please.
He knows it's Ghana.
Kojo is Friday.
It's Monday.
Oh, Kojo is Monday, right?
Okay.
Kweko is Friday. What is Friday?
Coffee.
Kweko is Tuesday. Okay, coffee is Friday. Okay.
Who is Tuesday?
Kweko is Tuesday, coffee is Friday.
Oh, so let me take it for you. Kojo is Monday.
Monday.
Yes.
Kojo is Monday. Kweko is Akwabena is Tuesday. Tuesday. Kweko is what? Wednesday. Okay, and then Yao is Thursday. And then coffee is Friday. Okay. Yao is Saturday. No. Kwame. Yes, Kwame. Because Thursday is Yao, right? Okay.
So you are Yao.
Yes. I'm a Thursday born.
You're Thursday born. Welcome. This is Adom TV, and we are here to party with you tonight. We learned that the objective is to honor people who already got here 20, 15 years ago and are doing. Is there any other motive for gathering people here tonight?
So the main reason why we gathered here is because we want to give recognition to those people who stayed here for long, especially those who stayed more than 30 years. So we want to give them a Lifetime Achievement Award. Yeah, being so loyal to Ghana. Yeah, and those milestone awardee, those who stayed here for 20 years and more. And then, of course, we have lots of people around. Also, those local people, local Ghanaian people, and also expats who is always supporting us on our events. We want to give them an honorary membership award.
How difficult is it to live in Ghana?
Actually, it's not really hard to live in here because since for me, this is my second home. Yeah.
It's a Hinoa.
I mean, Ghana is like Philippines at the same time. You have your own food. Your food is what we have. It's just the way you guys cook it differently.
Is it maybe said a Hinfanet in Ghana?
Now you are trying to trick me, huh?
No, I want to know where you live. I'm asking where you live in Ghana.
Okay, so I lived, when I came here first, I lived at West Legon. Then I moved to Osu. Now I'm living at Spintex, Badwam.
And you've been in Ghana for how many years?
Here for 9 years. 9.
9 years. And so, what would you say is your favorite thing about Ghana?
Okay, the local food.
Which ones are you dying for?
I'm dying for granite soup with tilapia. Omotu, of course. Yeah. And then okra stew and granite soup. Yeah, those meals.
Hey, menya munu bi e wo menchen ono say what's na Philippines honum for 10 years or Ghana ni so no what's na Philippines for 10 years. Where to bata make a bra. Hello.
Hello.
What's your friend?
Your friend Andy Amano.
It's for 10 years Philippines.
And say there may I Philippines ni. May I honum.
Abazizo call honum.
Mission. Me a Catholic priest. Nti no na de me call. Nti me call Matna Hall for 10 years. And me a mission. So yeah, many you know.
Okay, nice. It's my share one man said what's done why hospitable. Come on, ask some question.
Filipino for and Crawford almost penny pass him. Like the way I ain't here, no. Omo who on bed Joe fine. Normally say oh to call baby, you think say almost be discriminated or like something like that. But oko do how who say almost yet to say the way I ho the way I name kasa the way I used to ye duane ye used to ye nyum ye used to everything about them omo culture no very hospitable. Inti kind of almost to say and who the way almost structure omo society almost very family oriented. Into kwa obe who say naturally the families omo nyina omo ye omo niema bomu bako and omo market no so ebi wo ha obetimi akọ obenya kontomre obenya kwadubi ayese body ebisa no obenya banche obenya bro obenya menkin obenya like into obetimi ay jollof obetimi ay like garden stew and nini na nti so you be a onya kwadro now you be a attitude of fear now you be out to me bon kwan you wait me you be survive
Martin inta wo no munu enyo nti no e be chiram some few words mpada e chiram nti mpada be make hello make den
como está
na se mpada bi sa da wo tse da no so
okay kaba okay lankaba
Medas papa you want to since you have a baby back as our day Yamisho
since some Mabe tai she say by Filipino ni auntie well miss na miss ko sila nandito ako ngayon pero babalik ako doon sa susunod na tatlong buwan pero yun na lang masaya doon so
Thank you, but that's it, Papa. Thank you, no makandan.
Maraming salamat po.
Odos, maraming salamat po.
Kabiem.
Maraming salamat po. Bye. Aya na meta mekade say agona ye da odama na azere sa kwento for you know channel this beautiful Philippines lady we chat mo ho ehia won we feel ye papa ma na irade won we feel one skin nso ye feel papa na nso no osada ye call is ban ya enjoy bi zamenyo je ho pa ye pork adobo and a lumpia come up na me just the waso I enjoy is yes brewy in the me the best had na me continue ma menda na atase ma menda poku a at St. Town so I say no ma terka ma ma me share me say baby gina hade shop number 283 poku shop number 283 at center nyame hwan papa ntino the opidun so hade na many beautiful ladies here we chat mo ho ehia hade mama kan nyina ide mada ho na asa papa wo Philippines kasa mu no maka de salamat no help me say bye bye in Philippines. How do I say bye bye? Still bye bye. I'll see you next time. See you next time. Sasunulin. Okay.